Today we will start the chapter number 1, that is real number. Firstly we will discuss about real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are the collection of rational and irrational numbers. Last year we know what are rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are p by q form numbers and irrational are square root of prime number. So, or you can say non-terminating and non-repeating numbers are irrational, terminating numbers are rational. Clear? So, our first topic is Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid division algorithm. If we divide two numbers, so you can say A is divided by B. So, according to division algorithm, what is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same here, if we divide A by B, we get any quotient and remainder. For example, if we divide 16 by 3, on dividing 16 by 3, what we get? 3 5s are 15 and 1 is remainder. So 5 is your quotient and 1 is remainder. So you can write it as 16 is equals to 3 into 5 plus 1. So this is your Euclid division algorithm. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the general form. A is equals to BQ plus R. A is your dividend, B is divisor, Q quotient and R is remainder. Here is one condition on R. Remainder is always less than or equals to B. Here see, if you will divide a number with any number, you get remainder either 1, 2 or 0, not 3, not more than 3. So condition on R is R less than B, less than equals to B. लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 0, नॉट इक्वल्स टू b. b से छोटा होएगा हमेशा b के इक्वल. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑन रिमेंडर. दिस इज योर यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा. इट इज एप्लीकेबल टू फाइंड HCF. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. So in the first exercise we will discuss how to find HCF using Euclid division algorithm. Let's start your first exercise. First exercise, first question, find the HCF using Euclid division lemma 135 and 225. Now we will divide. Greatest number should be your dividend, smallest number is your divisor. We will divide it. Firstly 135 ones are 135, subtract it, so we get 9. Now second step is, firstly write down it according to Euclid lemma. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here this is your first step. Now your divisor will become your dividend. Now again divide. 90 ones are 90. Now remainder is 45. Again write down. Now your dividend is 135. Divisor is 90, quotient is 1 and remainder is 42. This process will goes until we get remainder as a 0. Again 90 is your dividend, 45 twos are 9. Now we get remainder is 0. So our process will stop here. Again 90 is equals to 45 into 1 plus 0. So this is your process. But what is HCF? last divisor. Last divisor is 45. So HCF is 45. Clear? So firstly divide, write down all the steps. Then at the last conclude your HCF. Clear? Similarly, second part. Now we will start second part. Note down the statement. Now see second part. 196 and 38220. Now greatest number will be your dividend. Smallest number will be divisor. Now firstly do the simple division. 196 ones are 196. Now subtract 1822. Clear? Now see 196. Sorry, 12 minus 6 is 6. Now 196 nines are. Multiply it 196 into 9. What will be you get? 1764. Now again subtract it. We will do this process until we get no number here. 12 minus 4 is 8. 15 minus 9. Now again 0 here. 196 5s are 980. Again, so by the first step we get remainder as a 0. So there is only one step. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what will be your HCF? Your last divisor. Last divisor is your first divisor. That is 196. So this is your HCF. Clear? Similarly, third part is same. So you have to solve it by yourself. Next we will start question number 2. Second question. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. So we will start this question. Let A is BQ plus R. According to your Euclid division algorithm, A is equals to BQ plus R. So we will choose these numbers. What will be your B? B will be, according to your proof, we have to prove 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5. So we will let B as 6. According to your B, R will be less than or equals to less than 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So possibilities of R 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to prove odd number is of the type 6 cube plus 1. So we will discuss all the cases. First case, if R is equals to 0. So put here A is equals to 6 cube plus 0. 6 cube. We have to prove this is odd or even. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 cube. 2 into m, where m is equals to 3 cube. Now we know that any number multiple of 2 is a even number. It is even number. Second case, if R is equals to 1, then your A will be, B value is 6, R is 1. Now we have to check either this is even number or odd number. Again split 6, 2 into 3 cube, 2 into m plus 1, where m is equals to 3 cube. Any number multiple of 2 and we will add 1, then it will become a odd number. It is odd number. Similarly, we will discuss rest of the parts. Similarly, you can solve rest of the parts. Case 3, you will take R is equals to 2, A is equals to 6 cube plus 2. 6 again split it, 2 into 2, take 2 common, 3 cube plus 1. So let it be m. Now this is 2 2m, again this is an even number. Fourth case, r is equals to 3, 6 cube plus 3. Split 6, 2 into 3 and break 3 into 2 plus 1. Take 2 common from first two terms, 1 as your remainder as it is. So it will become 2m plus 1. 2m plus 1 is of the form odd form. Fifth part, r is equals to 4, 6 cube plus 4. Take 2 common, 3 cube plus 2. This is 2m, again this is even number. Last, r is equals to 5. A is equals to 6 cube plus 5. 6 as it is, split 5 into 4 plus 1. Take 2 common, 3 cube plus 2 plus 1. It will become 2m plus 1. Again this is an odd number. Now we will see first case even, second case odd number, third again even. So at the end we have to conclude which are the odd cases. Any odd integer is of the form. Which are the odd cases? First is 6 cube plus 1. Second, 6 cube plus 3. And 6 cube plus 5. Any odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. So this we have to prove all the three cases. Clear? Similarly, fourth and fifth questions are again same. Use the Euclid division lemma to show that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. And fifth question. These are the same process we have to proceed in these questions. Clear? Next, this is your second question. Now we will do question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. So firstly, there are 32 members. Then behind them there are 616 members. They have to follow them. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. Same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns? So in the question we have to find the maximum number. If we have to find the maximum, then we will find HCF. So you have to find the HCF of these two numbers, 616 and 32. Third question, we have to find the maximum number of columns. It will be equals to HCF of 32 and 616. So as we have done in question number 1, HCF of two numbers, so you have to proceed like same. Solve it by yourself. Find the HCF of these two numbers. Next question number 4. Use the Euclid division lemma to show square of any positive integer. So again we will start according to Euclid division lemma. A is equals to b cube plus r. So we will choose what will be b? B will be 3. B is equals to 3 and according to b what will be r? 0, 1, 2 less than 3. So 0, 1, 2. First case, let r is equals to 0. So a is equals to 3q plus 0. In this question they said show that square of any number. So we will do squaring on both sides. A square, 3q square, 9q square. Split 3 into 3. So 3m, square of any number is of the form 3m. Again second case, if r is equals to 1. So what will be your a? 3q plus 1. Again we will do square. Now you have to apply the identity here. A plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This will be 6q. Now simplify it. 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Take 3 common. 3m plus 1. Again square of any number is of the form 3m plus 1. Similarly, third case, if r is equals to 2, then a will be 3q plus 2. Again we will do squaring. Apply the identity. 9q square plus 4 plus 2 2s are 4 3s are 12. 9q square plus 12q. 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. Take 3 common from first 3 terms. 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So it will become 3m plus 1. Again, square of number is of the form 3m plus 1. So that we have to prove. So at the last you can write the complete line. Square of any number is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Clear? Next, question number 5. Use Euclid division lemma to show that cube of any number. Here in this question we have done squaring. So in the fifth question you have to do the cube on both sides. Any divisor is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Here see, what will be you choose? B. Either you can choose B as 9 or you can take a multiple of 9. Multiple of 9 or means to say 3. See in fifth question, according to Euclid division lemma, A is equals to BQ plus R. So here you will let B as 3, not 9. Multiple of 9. This question will same. If you will take 9, then this question will solve. But short method is take B 3. According to B, R is 0, 1, 2. तो इससे आपके केसेस रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे. Either to solve 9 cases, you have to solve only 3 cases here. First case, A is equals to 3q plus 0. Cube on both sides. 27q cube. Take 9 common here. So we have, because we have to prove 9. Clear? Again, second case. 3q plus 1. So solve second and third part by yourself. This is your complete exercise 1.1 according to your Euclid division lemma. Thank you so much.